There's been other 3D printed prosthetics before, but none of them to this scale and none of them that were this custom and automated. People have made, like parts before, but nothing was custom fit. This is entirely based on 3D scanning.
It's like an indescribable feeling. Never in a million years did you ever think you'd be developing animal prosthetics using 3D printing, and here you are working with the leading animal orthoptist, providing these devices to help these animals walk again. It's a speechless type of feeling.